Every morning, your body wakes up asking for one thing, a fresh start. But what if a simple drink could also wake up your immune system and protect your body all day long? Here's a powerful morning mix that has been used for centuries. Warm water, lemon juice, grated ginger, and a teaspoon of honey. This natural combination fights inflammation, removes toxins, and strengthens your immune system. Lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants that protect your cells. Ginger improves digestion and helps fight colds. And honey acts as a natural antibacterial, soothing your throat and giving you energy to start your day. Drink this every morning before breakfast for best results. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Your body will thank you. Subscribe to Pure Health Hub for more natural health tips every week.